mali ang desisyon niya na nakipag-partner kay Marcos. Okay. Hindi ba? So ngayon, Inday fully unveiled her decision-making. Inday fully unveiled who she is as a boss. And Inday fully unveiled what we can expect from her when it comes to sense of ownership. So, nung interview ko kasi, it's more tell eh. Yung interview ko sa kanya, it's more tell. Pero, we can only prove our mettle when circumstance tests us. Alam niyo yung mga tipong parati mong sinasabi na, I am very honest, I'm a person with integrity, ganyan. Pero, pag dumating na yung panahon na iti-test na yung integrity mo, na halimbawa, na tinawagan ka na, huwag ka lang mag-post, bibigyan ka namin ng ganito, doon mo malalaman kung how much integrity you actually have. You cannot fool yourself with what you're telling yourself. Because your actions will actually be the proof of the pudding. So, si Inday, she could have played along with Saldico and Romualdez about the budget of DepEd. Yeah. And this could have not happened to her. Her father probably would not be in jail kung hindi niya inatake si Romualdez. But she did all of that. Diba? And then, she has a sense of ownership na may mali. So, ayun lang na wala siyang motherhood statements. She's just a straight shooter. Kaya ayaw sa kanya ng karamihan ng mga traditional politicians ngayon. Because yan din ang dahilan kung bakit ayaw siya ng ibang tao ng tatay niya noon sa Davao.